Your video now. Okay. Hello and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. There's been one. What are you doing?
Not doing anything.
Just try again. Hello and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. There's been one benefit of this lockdown. I keep getting parcels.
Ooh.
So, we'll do an unboxing. I think I know what it is.
You have?
I have ordered a few bits. Well, I haven't, no, other people ordered bits.
Yeah.
Weren't me, nothing to do with them. So hopefully this will be what I think it is. Just talk among yourselves.
You could have toilet rolls like
What, Trevor and Sue at Posh
Yeah.
Cats? No, they were too expensive for me. I couldn't afford that. Where to stick with the ISIL? Okay. Oh.
is it what you think?
It is what I think. It is a Collapse 3-in-1.
Ooh, 3-in-1.
3-in-1.
Water carrier, bucket and watering can.
Isn't a water carrier and a bucket the same thing?
I don't know.
Let's have a look.
Ooh,
Very posh.
it is posh.
And it's got a little tag
Oh God.
which holds it flat.
Right.
And then it just pulls up. Somehow. If I can do it. That's the handle.
Oh, very nice.
So that's your bucket or watering holder. A tap. So you can fit a tap to it.
Right.
A spout. And a rose to make it into a watering can.
Oh, lovely.
Honestly, I don't think I'll be using that bit though.
What are you going to use the other bit for?
For the flush water in the caravan.
Oh, right, okay. So we'll get rid of that big cat.
Yeah, because
watering
at the
can
moment
now.
we use a standard watering can, which takes up a lot of space. And as we have a baby, Pegasus, we no longer have a front locker.
True.
So we only got the little side lockers, so anything to save space, the better.
And that's ideal, isn't it?
This is really good. Don't know where that goes.
With
It went in there, didn't it? I think it went in there. But there we go.
Like a kid's puzzle.
It is. And a little strap to keep it all nice and neat.
I like that.
That is really good.
That is a really good idea. Whoever thought of that? Yeah.
I think it's Mr. Collapse.
Well, Mr. Collapse, thumbs up to you.
So there's the water container. We've got the waste pipes.
Yeah.
If we carry on, I might be able to build a whole caravan.
What worries me is what's coming next. Do.
You'd have to watch our next vlog for that, I suppose.
Yeah. Well, wait and see.
Another barbecue?
Oh my God, no. No,
Collapsible
no.
barbecue.
No, I'm sorry. I draw the line at another barbecue.
Okay, Blackstone.
I don't know.
It's the only thing what keeps me going is ordering stuff. Come on,
Yes, but every time you order a barbecue to put in the caravan, you get the wrong size. Then you say it doesn't fit and it ends up in the shed. Exactly.
You can talk.
We could start our own shop with the amount of barbecues that are in our shed.
Yeah, and we could also start a shop with all the midget stuff you keep buying. Anyway, on that note, thank you for watching. if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, knock the bell, and every time I put something online, you'll be notified. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.